Hello everyone, today I'll be making a very small arrangement to attach to a hair clip. Now what I would do is just wrap the wire around the stratus and then add the gypsophila to this one. Then I would take another piece of wire and put this together. Then I would have it like this, put them together, put the bow in front and tape it. So I've cut the wires here, so leaving about an inch. Then I take the top of the clasp and just put the stem through and wrap this around like so. And there you have a little arrangement for your hair that you can use for a wedding or an event. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.